dose of cardio miracle. Daily dose of cardio miracle. Daily dose. Daily dose of cardio miracle. Right here on the Dave and Jared Show.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the Daily Dose.
We are the Cardio Miracle DJs.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Jared.
And we are so glad that you could join us today.
Yeah, and we want to remind you that if you want to see any of our previous 30-plus episodes, or to be sure you don't miss any upcoming episodes, just click on the YouTube subscribe button.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we really could use your help on this. We really need you to jump on board and subscribe to our channel, as this will help us to expand the word about Cardio Miracle and share the fun that we have here on the Daily Dose with a lot more people.
I think we have a problem, Dave.
We do. There's a problem in the state of Georgia, and it's time that the Cardio Miracle DJs intervene.
Do you think it has something to do with the fact that it's peach season?
Well, other than the fact that there's that strange fuzz on the fresh peaches, I don't really think that the peaches have anything to do with it, actually.
Well, a recent study has shown that people in the state of Georgia have an unusually high level of cardiovascular issues.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and people are suffering from heart issues like high blood pressure and heart disease, and even symptoms of chronic low energy.
It's got to be that incredible Southern cooking.
Oh, yeah. In the South, it's either fried, double fried, or topped with bacon.
And it's usually a combination of at least two of those options. But as delicious as this all sounds, it's having a profound effect on the health of the people in the South, especially in the area of heart disease.
But not to worry, the DJs are here to help.
Yep, and that's why we're headed to Georgia, where we can do what we do best.
Oh, yeah.
The DJs went down to Georgia. They would travel far and wide. They would make the most of their daily dose, handing out nitric oxide. When they came across this stressed man sitting on a bench and holding his chest, and the DJs jumped up on a hickory stump and said, "It's time for your blood test. If you don't mind our saying, we can see the shape you're in, and if you care to take a dose, we'll get your blood flow in. Now, you may look like you're in shape, but we both know what's true. I'll bet a big fat can of cardio to prove it's better for you." He said, "You're Dave and Jared, and I've been listening to the Daily Dose, and I hear you sing, and I'll drink that dose with you. Relax your capillaries, keep the arteries open wide. Cardio's now in Georgia with miracles far and wide. And if you drink, you get the heart of a 20-year-old. But if you don't, the Reaper gets your soul." The DJs opened up a can and said, "Here, drink it down." And powder flew from their fingertips as they passed the dose around. They kept scooping out the cardio and folks kept drinking it down till those 53 ingredients had them dancing all around.
They sang,
Fire of the blood flow, run, blood, run. Cardio's dealing out all the fun. The folks in Georgia, now they know. Everyone's taking their daily dose.
"Oh, what a song."
Oh, yes. This is the Daily Dose. We are the Cardio Miracle DJs.
Oh, yeah. Daily Dose down to Georgia.
I'm feeling that Southern feeling now. What a great experience it's been here in Georgia, helping all the folks here get the benefit of the daily dose of nitric oxide.
You just gotta love that Southern hospitality.
Oh, yeah. I think the people in the South may be some of the most warm and friendly people in the country.
That's right. And Dave, do you know how people from the South hold up their pants?
No. Unfortunately, I don't. And even more unfortunately, I think you're about to tell me.
With the Bible belt, of course.
Oh, my goodness. All right, if you want to go down that road, what do you call a country singer with a Southern accent?
I don't know.
Shania Twain, of course.
Well, what do you call a country singer that's a waitress at an Indian restaurant?
Oh, my goodness. I don't know.
Curry Underwood.
Enough of that silliness.
Okay. But no matter where you live, if you feel that your energy levels seem low, or you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or experiencing any symptoms of cardiovascular related issues, you really ought to try Cardio Miracle.
No doubt. I mean, this is an impressive product that is shown to provide an amazing benefit for people with a wide range of chronic conditions.
There are natural ways to improve your health. And increased blood flow from a boost of nitric oxide is definitely one of those ways.
Of course, we can't forget about all the piles of all the high-quality ingredients, including your daily dose of vitamins, minerals, and vital nutrients, making Cardio Miracle one of the finest daily supplements available.
Oh yeah, but when you add the benefit of a little NO into your regular supplementation, you get a product that is simply unmatched anywhere.
You know, Jared, I like it here in Georgia.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe we should stay here.
Hey, I'm open to staying anywhere we can share the daily dose. Of course, you can just come on back if you ever want a dose again.
I done told you once, you big DJ, I'm gonna daily dose again.
Fire up the blood flow, run, blood, run. Cardio's dealing out all the fun. The folks in Georgia, now they know. Everyone's taking their daily dose. Daily dose of Cardio Miracle. Daily dose of Cardio Miracle. Daily dose of Cardio Miracle. Right here on the Dave and Jared Show.